Ever wanted to be that person who lights up a room by just walking in? Or who can make others feel happy and secure without lifting a finger? If yes, then it's time that you learn about your aura. Our aura is like an energetic envelope that surrounds us. Think of it as our own personal atmosphere. And when in perfect balance, it helps us radiate love and joy, which other people can feel and benefit from. If you're ready to bolster your aura, then my Aura Healing course is your next step. The course covers everything from energy basics to what auras are, from the complexities of our existence to the details of each aura layer and its state of being. I provide the best strengthening techniques and an easy step-by-step aura healing template too. By the end of the course, you will glow with good health, abundance, and happiness, and perhaps even help a few others along the way too. If you're ready to start aura healing, click the button to begin. I look forward to seeing you in class.